Good morning, guys. I just wanted to stop through and bless y'all really quick. Um, I did get a message. Most of you guys know that I'm more clairaudient than anything, okay? And, I'm sitting here, before the sunrise. You guys are looking at my out my window. Before the sunrise, um, I pretty much was in meditation and prayer, okay? It's just really how I like to start off my mornings. God has a way of just waking me up when He wants my attention right away. And it's usually the wee hours of the morning before the sunrise. And of course, I pay my respects, okay? And I honor Him in however I do that. And mostly in prayer, okay? But the message I received, you guys, is you really have to protect your energy. Um, no, energy is transferred, okay? Everything is energy. Um, Even the little things that you don't think is energy is energy. And it's very important where you let others transfer their energy to you and where you transfer yours to, okay? And why is important? Because of just that, the transference of it. Okay. So basically, Spirit wanted me to let you guys know to be aware of who you transfer energy with, where, and how. All of these things matter. Okay. It really do. And you might say, oh no, it don't matter. Yes, it do. It's not just you transferring it sexually that matters. Okay. Mentally, emotionally, and physically. Okay. Um, it matters in all ways, you guys. Why? Because of the transference of it. Like, what are you mixing in with your energy? Or what are you allowing your energy to be mixed in with? Okay. Um, it's important for you guys to be aware of this. Okay. And make sure that when it comes to your energy that you are protecting it. It should be a privilege to even share your energy with anybody. Okay. Who are you feeding your energy to and who is feeding your energy? That is what matters. Okay. Be aware of that. Because sometimes people are just not aware of it. And this is how you can mix your energy with different energy and it cause you to be in a world of trouble. When I say that, say for example, you out with your friend, okay, y'all decide to go have a few drinks and she gets into an argument or he gets into an argument. Okay, what happens? What just happened? That's your friend, right? So you have to mix your energy in with theirs. And you never just know what's gonna happen next with the mixing of all that energy with your friend as well as others, whoever they're in an argument with. Like, this is important because being aware of what, who, and where you put your energy into and who you exchange your energy with. So I hope y'all understanding what it is I'm trying to say. Spirit just wants you to, be aware of that. Pay more attention to that. Not just with your relationships, but with everything around you. Okay? So yeah, guys, that's the message. I did try to get a new phone. Hopefully you guys can hear me a lot better. We won't have all the glitching and let me know if you can hear me better with this video. I do plan on having Purple Week. Hopefully, it starts today. You guys join me for that, for one-on-one in-depth readings with me. Put Purple Week in the subject line when you email me to get your personals and you get $20 off, you guys. I want to thank everybody who has personally been, already requesting my readings. Okay, I appreciate the love and support. And you guys, yeah, just nurture yourself and surround yourself with love, okay? Love in all things that's right of light, okay? Um, yeah. And another message I was getting, you guys, was anything you do 28 days or more becomes a habit. Okay, so I don't know why that message came to me. Um, I guess being aware of your habits and the habits that you form is important around this time. Again, where, when you transfer your energy, you giving your time, your presence to others, what are you doing with your time? Um, think of what habitual things you have developed and been making habitual or turning it into habits, okay? Because Spirit is saying a habit is something easy to pick up or form, right? But it's something hard to get rid of, okay? But I'm hearing 28 days, but 30 days, be aware of what habits you're forming, okay? Or what's becoming habits or habitual around you in your life, okay? I don't know how those two messages relate, but those are the messages today, guys. Okay, so yeah, if you're new, welcome. If you're returning, welcome back. And y'all let me know. I don't know what I did to the camera. I try to zoom in and show y'all the sky, but this is what it's looking like. You guys, the thing that's most important to me is that you guys are able to hear me without the glitching. So comment and let me know, you guys. And stay tuned to the next video. Peace, love, and light.